Hello to everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Today we will discuss about different types of example. In my previous video, we discussed about already two examples related to partnerships introduction. Today we will discuss about another example, but there is first and third number. X and Y are partners sharing profit loss in proportion of 3 raised to 2. The profit of the firm for the year is 1,65,000 if 10% commission on profit is payable to X. Compute the amount of commission. यानी कि हमें यहाँ पे रेशियो दिया है, प्रॉफिट लॉस का रेशियो कितना है 3:2 और कमीशन का परसेंटेज दिया है 10% कमीशन एंड हु इज रिसीव दिस एक्स and our firm profit 1,65,000. Here not given after deduction the profit or deduction the commission, not any given anything other information. So we count this easily a simple way. Net profit commission is equal net profit multiplied by percentage of commission. Our net profit 1,65,000 and our commission 10%. So 1,65,000 10% 16,500. This is your commission for whose commission? X commissions. Okay, this is X commission. Then we will discuss about example number 4. The profit loss sharing ratio of Jayesh, Suresh and Pankaj is 6:2:3. A manager has received his commission of rupees 6,600 at 10% after deduction of such commission from profit. A certain distribution of profit amongst the पार्टनर. यानी कि यहाँ पे हमें क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, तो फर्स्ट दिया है रेशियो, जो प्रॉफिट लॉस का रेशियो है वो, फिर हमें जो कमीशन है, कमीशन किसका है? मैनेजर का, कितना है? तो 6,600 और उसका रेट दिया हुआ है 10%. बट ये कमीशन डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट के ऊपर है, नेट प्रॉफिट के ऊपर है नहीं. और हमें फाइंड आउट करना है अ सर्टेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ऑफ प्रॉफिट अमॉन्ग्स द पार्टनर, यानी डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट फाइंड करके उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड आउट प्रॉफिट फाइंडिंग. Profit finding here given our manager commission 6,600 and percentage of 10%. Okay, so we assumptions there. Our commission 10 rupees, that time our divisible profit 100 rupees. So our manager commission 6,600, that time how many our divisible profit? So 6,600 multiplied by 100 divided by 10. So our divisible profit 66,000. Then we find out here our profit distributions amongst the partners Jayesh, Suresh and Pankaj. First we find out Jayesh's profit. So 66,000 our divisible profit multiplied by 6/11. This 6 come from our profit loss ratio. Our profit loss ratio 6:2:3 and 6/11 means 6 this and 11 how to write? So 6 and 2 8, 8 and 3 11. Okay, so their divisible profit 36,000. Then find out divisible profit of Suresh 66,000 multiplied by his sharing ratio 2/11. So its profit 12,000. Then Pankaj's profit 66,000 multiplied by 3/11, yeah 3/11. So their profit 18,000. So friends, when given their directly profit या directly commission, that time we take assumptions. Without assumption we can't count this. Okay. Sila, Surbi and Seema are partners sharing profit loss in the ratio of 5:7:9. Manager Sanket is entitled to receive 10% commission from profit after deduction of his such commissions. Surbi receives share in profit 7,000. Determine the amount of commission of Sanket. Also determine amount of profit before the commission of manager. It means here given profit loss ratio 5:7:6. Sorry, 9 છે. 9. Now, in this example given profit loss ratio 5:7:9 and their Surbi's profit receives 7,000. So, how many his ratio? 7/21. So, assumption their total profit of the firm is 1. It means प्रॉफिट फॉर्म का प्रॉफिट बिजनेस का प्रॉफिट 1 रुपीज़ होगा, तब सुरभि को 7/21 मिलेगा. सो हियर हिज प्रॉफिट हर प्रॉफिट 7/12. दैट टाइम दैट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट 7,000. सो व्हेन द 1 दैट टाइम हाउ मेनी? सो वी काउंट हियर 1 multiplied by 7,000 multiplied by 12 and divide by 7. So our total profit is 21,000. Then we find out here commission of managers. This is our divisible profit. So we count directly this because of the after deduction the manager commission. It means this is the divisible profit. So our divisible profit 21,000 multiplied by 10%. So their profit, manager's commission is 2,100. Then we find out our net profit, profit after manager commission, before the manager commission. So the commission of the manager. So divisible profit 21,000. 100, then total profit to 23,100. So friends, when the given the information about any one partner's share, that time we find out like this. First we find out total divisible profit, then we find out commission of the manager or commission of the any partner, then we find out our total net profit. Then we count out example number 6. Riya, Dilip and Kirtan are partners of a partnership firm. The shares of Kirtan is 1/5 of share of Dilip and share of Riya is double of share of Kirtan. Determine the amount of profit of each partner. If the partner of the firm at the end of the year was 1,92,000 profit. It means यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट लॉस का कोई रेशियो नहीं दिया हुआ है, पर रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. कैसे? तो दिलीप का सपोज दिलीप का 1 प्रॉफिट है, 1 रुपीज़ प्रॉफिट है. सो कीर्तन का उसका 1/5 प्रॉफिट है. सो कीर्तन का रेशियो क्या आता है? 1/5. देन वाइल शेयर ऑफ रिया, रिया का शेयर क्या है? कीर्तन को जो मिलता है उसका डबल होता है. सो कीर्तन को कितना मिलता है? 1/5. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 एंड हियर नथिंग, सो 1 राइट डाउन. सो टू रियाज प्रॉफिट 2/5. सो देर इज रेशियो देर. फर्स्ट को हुज रिया, सो रियाज रेशियो 1/5. देन दिलीप्स 1. देन कीर्तन 1/5. 5. But see here, these two are has denominator, but this is not. So first we write down here same denominator. So what do we get? 1, then we write down here multiply 1, 5, same figure we multiply upper side. So 5 upon, so new ratio 2 upon 5 raised to 5 upon 5 raised to 1 upon 5. So this is the ratio we find out Riya, Dilip and Kirtan 2 raised to 5 raised to 1. Then we will distribute our profit according to this ratio. First Riya's, our profit is 1,92,000 and Riya's share 2 upon how to write 8. So 2 plus 5 plus 1 total 8. So 2 by 8. So her profit 48,000. Then Dilip's profit 1,92,000 multiplied by their ratio. So his profit 1,20,000. Then Kirtan 1,92,000 multiplied by 2 by 8. 2 means 1 profit 24,000. So when we find out our profit loss ratio, that time we use assumption any one partners. Then according to their assumptions, then we find out our ratio. Then after we distribute our profit. Okay.